Welcome to World Baking Day, where we celebrate the joy of baking with a twist. Are you tired of the same old recipes? Looking for something unique? This World Baking Day, let's infuse our creations with the rich aromas of tea. Imagine the delightful blend of Earl Grey in your cookies or green tea in your cakes. Join us as we explore these tea-infused recipes that will elevate your baking. First, let's start with a classic, Earl Grey shortbread cookies. Next, we have a matcha green tea cake that's both vibrant and delicious. For something a bit different, try our chai-spiced muffins. Each recipe brings a unique flavor profile, perfect for any occasion. But it's not just about the recipes, it's about the community. World Baking Day is a celebration of our shared love for baking. So gather your ingredients and join us in this global celebration. Share your tea-infused creations with the world using #WorldBakingDay. Let's make this World Baking Day the most flavorful one yet. Happy World Baking Day. Bake with Michigan Teas. Michigan Teas Tea Baking World Baking Day.